Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I am up at a good time today. It's 9:43 and I'm about to get in the gym. I'm so excited. I've got my fit on. Wearing a black workout top with some gray leggings. I'm tired. I'm beat. I'm about to do my last bit of cardio. Hey guys, so I'm back in the house. We've been out for a few hours this afternoon, but we went to Five Below and got some things. Did we go anywhere else? I don't know, but let me show you what we got. Hey guys, I know I said I'm gonna show you guys what we got from Five Below, but Kai is over here cleaning up because Nova, geez, Nova.
Do we get from back here? Go.
She's cleaning up behind like the living room table. I'm gonna show you because we just bought a new TV. We bought a 75-inch TV and it's getting put up tonight. Yeah, definitely gonna have to move that thing.
What?
The shelf. Yeah. That's our TV now. And that's the new TV down there. Princess Nove. Big old TV. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. It's been a good morning. I went to the gym this morning. I had a little solo gym morning. Spent like 45 minutes there and came back and immediately got ready because we're going to go to the museum today. We're going to the Please Touch Museum. We've been there multiple times, but we're just going to go since Lonnie's cousin is here. Just take the kids, meet up with Lonnie's sibling, and yeah. I gotta take my supplements real quick. Also gotta take my magnesium and my maca root drops. I'm carrying my bag. I just got this bag from H&M. Was it H&M? I think so. But yeah, I got a bag. Actually, I'm gonna switch it out. This is the scent of the day, Finery Without a Trace. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.